Hi, everybody. It's December 5th at 5 o'clock p.m. This channel is called Eyes Open. Bahama Sky shows apocalypse approaching. There's another channel. Oh, what's going on with my phone? Okay, hopefully it's still working. But you can see right here what they're detailing out. And then there's other images within here that they show. My camera's freaking out. But I got to looking at this planet, and um, it looks like a dinosaur. So let me do big screen. Doesn't that look like the face of a dinosaur or Godzilla? Uh, okay. Yeah, doesn't it look like it's Godzilla or some type of reptilian? It's going to eat the sun or something. I don't know. It looks like it's coming up behind them because these look like the two eyes right here, and this looks like the forehead. Is that wild or what? Or maybe it's a big snake head. Okay, let me go forward in time. Can't really see anything on there. Let's go. Yeah, right here. They show right there, but you can see him starting to, decorate. But that actually looks like a human face. Let's look. I can't really see that. I think something's right there. But check it out for yourself. I just wanted to pop it up and say, hey, check it out. That one looked like a dragon. Let's see if we can go back to it. Yeah, right there. It seriously does. It looks like Godzilla is going to just swallow the sun.